Good day everyone, this is Jessica Spiel, and to this video I'm going to do the activity 6.5.8 addressing in a tiered Internetwork. Learning objectives. Assign IP information to router interfaces. Select the proper IP address and mask for each interface. Assign the selected information to the router. Introduction. Given the topology shown and a list of possible IP addresses, assign an appropriate IP address and subnet mask to the interfaces of router 0 that will satisfy the host requirements for its network, while resulting in the minimum possible number of unused IP addresses. Task 1. Assign IP information to router interfaces. Step 1. Select the proper IP address and mask for each interface. Study the network diagram and choose from the table below an IP address and subnet mask for each router interface that will satisfy the host requirements of each network. So, this is the network diagram. The first thing I need to do is to click the router. Then click the config. The pass Ethernet. The pass Ethernet. Let's put the IP address. So I will choose the IP address. This should be the IP address of the pass Ethernet 0.0 and 0/0. Then copy and let's change it to 255 dot 192.192 255.192. Then the pass Ethernet 0/1. Let's put the IP address. This should be the IP address of pass Ethernet 0/1. Subnet. Then change it to 0. 255. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And let's move into pass Ethernet 1/0. The IP address. This should be the IP address. Copy the subnet mask. So let's change it 254.0. 255.0. Then close it. Then let's check the result. So the result says that it's completed. Then let's move on to step 2. Step 2, assign the selected information to the router. Click on router 0, click the config tab, select interface, pass Ethernet 0/0 and assign the IP address and subnet mask chosen in step 1. Assign the IP address and subnet mask chosen in step 1 to the other 2 interfaces in the same fashion. So let's click the router 0. Pass Ethernet 0/0, pass Ethernet 0/1, pass Ethernet 1/0.
Ya. Kung usod utro mi.
So that's all. It's completed.